The adversary has designed it for us to fall, especially when we are waiting in Christendom.
My God, my God, my
When we are waiting in Christendom, a.k.a. kingdom. When we are waiting in this particular time. And while we're waiting in this time, these trials come. Situations come.
Yes.
But God again is using that to make you and prepare you for your potential mate. See, the power of waiting comes in authority of patience. You see, you got to have patience in this thing with God. This thing is not going to come overnight. Because, see, there's no time or distance in the realm of the spirit. And because there's no time or distance in the realm of the spirit, God may say, okay, your mate is coming soon. But we can't get so excited to where we step down and step before God and step into a trap that the enemy has released for us.
Come on now, say it.
We have to be careful.
Yes.
We have to be so ever careful with that mate, because during the waiting season, the counterfeit comes always before the real thing.
Oh, come on now, say it.
The counterfeit comes always before the real one, especially when God has been dealing with you in that particular area in your life. Especially when you have been petitioning like Hannah was before the throne of God daily about something that you want, something that is inside of you, something that has been vexing your spirit, something that has been keeping you up late at night, something that has just been bothering you every day, all the time, and you're going before God, and your prayer's still not getting answered, but you're still petitioning God, you're still going before Him, you're still believing in the promise, but it still hasn't come to pass. The struggle that's within
Jesus.
you as the single mate.
Thank
The
you.
prophet, I've been waiting for 10 and 20 years. I still don't have a mate. The answer to that is stop waiting.
Jesus, my God.
Because when you wait and you anticipate, you're looking. And when you're looking, you're pursuing. And when you're pursuing, that means you're going forth towards something. And while you're going forth towards something, what that is going to do is that's going to make the thought come into an actual process. And it's going to be acted out in the earth realm. And then before you know it, you with this local choker, the one that you ain't even supposed to be with. But you wasted your time because you didn't want to wait patiently on the Lord. You didn't want to walk in the power and the authority of waiting.
My
So
God.
what you did is you went and you continued to pursue what you thought was right for you in your right mind.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on now.
God might not give you what you want, but He's going to give you what you need right on time. See, in the book of Ecclesiastes, the first chapter, the Bible declares that everything has a time and a season.
Yes.
Amen? And so everything has a purpose up under the heavens. So there's a time, there's a season, and there's a purpose. Now before the time, there's a wait, there's a time, there's a season, and there's a purpose. All these things go together hand in hand. You can't have no purpose unless you wait.
My God, my God,
You
my
can't
God.
have no season unless there's time.
My God, come
You
on
can't
now.
have no time unless there's a season. And you can't have no purpose unless there's a season and a time. And before that purpose comes to pass, you got to wait for that purpose to come to pass.
My God, my God.
Each and every time.
Yes.
The power and the authority
My God, my God.
of waiting, being still,
Yes.
and being patient on the Lord. Yes, it's very hard. I'm not going to sit up here and lie in this pulpit to you on tonight. It's very hard. But what we learned from Hannah is that he actually, what God did is God turned Hannah into an intercessor. See, everything has a purpose in this. While you're praying and asking God to bring your potential mate, while you're praying and petitioning God before the throne room to make these things come to pass, the visions that He showed you, the things that He has said to you, either in your dream realm or either prophesied to you, that, oh, come on, somebody. Waiting the importance of it. He said that there is a power in it. Because while you're waiting, I'm